sa aking mga kababata, kapagkat ang bayay sadyang umiibig sa kanyang salita kaloob ng langit, sanla ang kalayaan na saring masapit, katulad ng ibong nasa impapawid.
Pagkat ang salita'y isang kahatulan, sa bayan sa nayot mga kaharian, at ang isang tao'y katulad kabagay ng linmang lika noong kalayaan.
Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, mahigit sa hayop at malansang isda, kaya ang marapat pagyamaning kusa, na tulad sa inang tunay na nagpala.
Ang wikang Tagalog tulad din sa Latin, sa Ingles, Kastila at salitang Anghel, sapagkat ang buong maalam tumingin na siyang nagawad, nabigay sa atin.
Ang salita natin huwad din sa iba, na may alpabito at sariling litra, na kaya'y nawalay dinatna ng sigwa, at lunday sa lawa nung dakong una.
Sa aking mga kababata.
In sense sa aking kabata is not just about language but about the broader concept of cultural pride and patriotism.
Our language is a powerful weapon in the fight for freedom and liberty against the colonizers who ruled our country in the past, particularly the Spaniards.
For me, Rizal's poem sa aking mga kabata, written when he was just 8 years old, is one of his greatest, and I believe my group members enjoy it as well.
This poem significant is that contrary to what Rizal expressed in the poem, we lost sight of our love of our country and language. He fought and died for his country, but we are adapting and becoming more comfortable with the cultures of other countries.
My reflection of Filipino or sa aking mga kabata, it emphasizes the importance of preserving one heritage and language amidst the influence of colonialism. Rizal knows for his nationality, writing likely made to inspire pride and awareness among Filipino regarding their culture identity.
After reading the poem, I felt guilt and bad because our generation is slowly neglecting our own language in favor of idolizing other countries' culture and goods rather than our own. We are confined to another country's cultures and we were gradually being colonized by them again. History does, in fact, repeat itself.